Hi, this is Jason with Dave's Computer Tips with another how-to video for you. This one's on how to change Microsoft account picture. That's right, your profile picture that appears everywhere you're logged into your Microsoft account. I'm going to show you actually how you can change that to something more fun or just better than what it is. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Last week we went over how to adjust playback speed on Facebook, like the Reels, so you can actually slow them down, speed them up. I'll put a link down below so you can check that out. But this week we're going to go over how to change Microsoft account picture, and I'm going to show you how to do that here. But before we get going, hit the like on this video. It really helps out our channel. Also hit the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos I come out with every Thursday. So keep checking back every Thursday. I have a new one out. You'll learn something every week. All right, let's get into this. So first thing you're going to do is get into your Windows computer. That's how I'm going to do it. I'm not going to the website to do this. I'm actually doing it on the actual Windows computer. This is a Windows 11 I'm doing it through. So I'm going to show you how to do that through here. So we're going to go, once you're on your computer, look to the bottom left where you're looking for the Windows icon, which is the Start menu. You click on that. The Start menu pops up. And then what you want to do is you want to go up to Settings. Very simple. Click on Settings. Actually, right now, if you look right here, that's the picture I have. That's so this is what we're going to change. So we're going to go up to Settings. Once you click on Settings, the settings screen will open. As you can see at the top, I have a picture, and that's the one I have now. But we're going to change it to really something really fun. So we're going to do that. So looking to the left menu, you're going to go down until you bump into Accounts. That's what we want. So click on Accounts. And then once you click on Accounts, you're going to be in the main screen. So you're going to want to go down. You're going to scroll down until you get to Account Settings, this section here, and you're looking for your info, profile photo. That's what we want. So we're going to click on this. Doesn't matter where you click, just click on it. And it's going to open up your profile info. And then what you look in here is you're going to see adjust your photo. You can take a photo by opening the camera on your system. I don't like doing that because it never takes a good picture of me. What you want to do is go down to choose a file right here, and then you're going to go to the right hand side and click on Browse Files. So we're going to click on that, and it's going to open up your File Explorer on your computer. And then once you do that, you're going to go to the folder that has the picture you saved. I did a fun one, you'll see in a minute. So here's an image. That's the one I chose. So you're going to click on the image once, and it's going to tell you the name of it down here. I think this will work, hopefully. I don't know if I download the right picture. So choose this. It's going to start doing this. See, it's thinking. And wham! Look at that. I have changed my profile picture to Thor, God of Thunder. That's what we got right here. So that's easily to do. So now what you want to do, I'm going to see if I can show you it. So if you're like logged in on your Microsoft account, let's say you go to your Microsoft account and you're in here. And I'm going to hit refresh. And you see the pictures there. You're going to hit refresh. And it's going to go like that, and then it should update, and there it did. Like everywhere you have Microsoft you're logged in on, your profile picture shows up. There it is right there. It's going to change it to the cool picture you chose. So it's really fun to do. So pick a cool picture, and hey, let me know what you put there. I love to hear down in the comments which picture you chose. And that's it. That's how easy it is to change your Microsoft account picture, basically your profile picture on your Microsoft account. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Make sure to check out davescomputertips.com. That's where all our articles are. And also make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.